Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Verisene blue. As we start our journey from the front of this Velar, where we will find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, which will ensure a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. As we cascade down the side, the luxurious and sporty dynamics continued, as it sits with absolute pride on a set of 20-inch 10-spoke satin dark grey alloys. To the rear, you'll notice the privacy glass as well as the rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a weekend's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. As you look to your left and your right, you'll also see perfect storage as well as hooks for any items. To the rear, passengers will certainly enjoy their raven blue and ebony perforated leather seats, and glimpsing into the cockpit will reveal your 14-way driver memory front seats, which will ensure every journey is as comfortable as the last. Let's take a closer look now at your leather-heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display. Advancing over to your Privy Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera. You'll also be able to access climate control functions, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. You'll also be able to locate further vehicle dynamics and terrain response systems within your entertainment screen. As we now finalise our journey to look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which is going to engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic SE, which we now have available at our dealership. Thank you for watching.